The contacting metallic surfaces inside engines are in continuous motion, working under extreme pressure conditions. This continuous motion causes friction and heat, leading to jagged and rough surfaces. In addition, friction causes wear and tear, energy loss, and fuel and oil inefficiencies, resulting in mechanical failures. Our additive contains billions of nano-sized tungsten disulfide inorganic spheres that dramatically improve the lubrication properties of engine oils. Billions of nanospheres enter the crevices on metal surfaces. Their submicroscopic diameters allow them to refurbish rough surfaces, leaving them smoother. The spherical morphology allows the particles to perform as nano ball bearings, reducing frictional forces between metal surfaces, as well as reducing heat. Under pressure, the nanospheres exfoliate their outer layers, creating a tribofilm layer that attaches to the contacting metal surfaces. This tribofilm lamella gives the metal durable protection and has the ability to withstand extreme pressure conditions. As friction and wear are reduced, the engine runs quieter, cooler, and more efficiently. Extended engine life, a quieter engine, enhanced power and torque, and less harmful emissions.